Tricks with baking soda that you will love in cleaning and are very easy to do. They are so powerful that you won't need anything else but this. What we bring you today is leaving many women pleasantly surprised by its wonderful uses. Trick number 1. Baking soda to whiten clothes or yellow towels. Add a little baking soda to your dirty clothes or towels along with the detergent you use to wash, and you will see the wonderful whitening effect that makes your garments look like new and without picking up bad odors. Next trick, baking soda in the toilet. If your bathroom is dirty and always smells like urine, I have the solution for you. You just have to add a little baking soda along with a cup of white vinegar. Let it act all night and the next day wash as usual. This will keep your toilet always clean, without limescale and without urine odor. Trick number 3, to make your burnt pots shine. Add baking soda with dish soap and a little lemon juice to your burnt pots. Use a shining sponge and the result is impressive. And tell me where you watch my videos from to greet you in the next one. Today's greeting is for Isabella Guzman from Mexico and for Otis Bautista from Canada. Thank you for watch our videos. Trick number 4, to get rid of dust mites and other insects in your mattress. Add a little baking soda to your mattress and you're done. You won't have to worry about those annoying insects anymore. Our latest trick to whiten your mop. You just have to add baking soda to your mop. Along with hot water mixed with vinegar. And this leaves it super clean as it removes dirt from the root. And tell me if you like this information. I hope it has been very helpful to you. I'm Sugarous from Desserts and More. You can also follow us on YouTube as Remedios con Sugarous. Thank you for watching our videos. God bless you all. Here are some related videos that may be of interest to you. See you in the next video. God bless you all.